Hey everyone, welcome to the channel for another Escape from Tarkov video. This time I've got a sweet little short M1A build for you that I've been having a ton of success with lately, that takes some of the best things about the meta M1A build and fits it into a smaller package. This video is mostly going to be focused on gameplay highlights, but I'll share the build at the start of the video here. It's got most of the pieces from the standard meta M1A build, like the Troy S.A.S. chassis, the crosshair buffer tube, and the HKE1 stock, but it's using the short barrel to make it easier to maneuver around cover and in tight spaces. You're not going to hit the same insanely low recoil as the long barreled version, but this setup gets down to about 60 recoil and 65 ergonomics, and I find it significantly easier to use in CQB or when you're pressed up tight against cover and you're leaning out for a better shot. Considering that recoil number is the same as a full meta SA58 recoil build, I find this one is still pretty easy to spam accurately, and you don't lose a ton of muzzle velocity from the short barrel either. I'm going to let some highlight clips with this build roll for the rest of the video, so let me know what you think down in the comments if you try this build out, and I hope it works as well for you as it does for me. It's not really a replacement for the recoil focused M1A build, but it's a cool alternative setup that I genuinely find easier to use when I'm fighting in buildings. Thanks for checking out the video. I've got links to my Twitch stream, Discord server, and Patreon page down below, and until next time, stay safe in Tarkov City. I think he's looting that scav. That was real close. See, if I had a long-barreled M1A, that guy would have fucking smacked me. Only reason I won that was because I'm using the shorty. Dude, nice kill armor. This guy looked pretty kitted. Not so much anymore. Oh, come on. I was adjusting my... I think he's gonna come through that door over there. But it's hard to tell. There. Okay, what? Oh, because I had it fucking set for 200 meters. That's why that shit wasn't accurate. Kaz, thanks for dropping the sub, man. I think this guy might have the same idea as me. Nope. Holy shit. Oh yeah, he's still up there. I saw him moving on the left side. Hey, friendo. Bye, friendo. Pro tip for shooting the dorm or the dome. I honestly feel like it doesn't matter where you are on the map. If you just put your zeroing at 200 meters, you're gonna hit it. Where was this guy shooting at me from? Oh, right fucking there. Oh, dudes. Well, we found the guy that was using Killa's gun. Looks like we both had the same idea. I wonder if he has a friend, though. So, like, you used to have to, like, really go out of your way. Where's this dick? Oh, there he is. Dude, he's shooting at someone else. Oh, yeah, I heard him inside. Oh, someone was taking the car. Imagine if I could fucking shoot him. Look at it go. He pulled a sick drift, bro. What the fuck? I killed a scav that was shooting at him while he was trying to extract. So I might not have actually saved him, but I kinda did. Oh man, the other day when I was in here on stream, there was like a LEDX every time. This is like bone dry. There's a survival kit. And a blood set. And that's actually it. That's gross. It's a good thing I ran all the way out there and all the way back. Yep, totally, Mick. 100% agree. I would say that's probably like... Oh, no. That was Killa. He somehow didn't flick up and one-tap me. What? God. Oh, we got some fucking raiders here. No, we got glue car. Oh, my God. Oh, I didn't reset. The fucking quiet grenades are still a thing. Got him. He was just running in circles. Oh shit, that's glue car. pegged him right in the fucking face. I think I actually got a couple of them with the random grenade that I threw. Unless somebody... Oh, sniper on the dome. I was just about to say that. Oh yeah, there he is. I just saw him drop down. I haven't seen him come down into the field or anything, though. Oh, hello. And he's dead. Give me that juice, Glukar. There we go. Oh, nice. Double GP. Oh. I'm pretty sure that was up on the dome, boys. Ouch. Headshot.